in this video we are going to see the logic gates. Okay, the logic gates. Actually, the logic gates are basic building blocks in digital circuits. So, for any digital circuits, the basic element used is logic gates. Okay, so the logic gates are the basic building blocks which is used in any digital circuits. And the basic gates are AND, OR and NOT. These three gates are the basic gates. Let us see one by one. First one, AND gate. And the logic are actually AND gate means it is logical multiplication, and the logic symbol of AND gate is like this. It is two input logic, two input AND gate, and the two inputs are here A and B, and the output is Y, right? And what is the operation of AND? AND means logical multiplication. The operation of AND gate is if both the inputs are true, or if both the inputs are 1, then the output is 1. The only condition we get the true output is when all the inputs are 1, right? That is main condition. When both the inputs are 1, you get the output is equal to 1. And one more important condition, if any one of the input is 0, you get 0 in the output, right? So both the inputs are 1 means you get 1, and if any one of the input is 0, the output is 0. That is the operation of AND gate, and it is logical multiplication, right? So the output is 1 if and only if all the inputs are 1. If any one of the input is 0, then the output from the gate is 0. Okay. So next, truth table for AND gate. Normally, truth table describe the output in terms of input. Okay, it gives the functionality of that gate. It explains the functionality of that gate. So truth table, here there is two inputs and single output. Two inputs are AB. If there is two input means the possible combinations are 4. Okay, so both the inputs may be 0, and first input is 0, second input is 1, first input is 1, second input is 0, and last case is both the inputs are 1. So these are all the possible combinations, and we all know that if there is n bit means there is 2 power n possible combinations. So here 2, so the possible combinations are 2 power 2, 4. And the output, in first case both the inputs are 0, so definitely the output is 0. In second case, one of the input is 0, so the output is 0. And third case, here also the one of the input is 0, so the output is 0. In last case, both the inputs are 1, so the output is 1, right? So this is the truth table of AND gate. And the Boolean expression for AND gate is y is equal to, y is output, so y is equal to a dot b. Y is equal to a dot b. So this is the Boolean expression. And we can explain this operation by means of two cascaded switches, right? So let us see that this circuit which has two switches. By means of this switch, the bulb is connected to the supply. Okay, so we can take this two switches as two inputs of this AND gate. Okay, first one is A and second one is B. If switch is open means it is considered as 0. If switch is closed, it is considered as 1, right? So let us take a switch is open means it is 0 value, and switch is closed means it is 1 value. Okay, so we'll check this condition here. First condition, A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Both the inputs are 1. So already I told you that if 1 means the switch is closed. Okay, so here both the values are 1, so both the switches are closed, right? Okay, so now there is a closed path, so definitely the bulb will glow. Okay, so there is a closed path, so the bulb will glow. It gives output. So if A equal to 1, B equal to 1 means we get output, right? So we proved that if both the inputs are 1, the output is 1. right? So next we'll check another condition, that A is 0 and B is 1. So A0 means first switch is in open condition and second switch is in closed condition. If you look at this picture, there is no closed path, it is the open circuit, so there is no path for current flow, so the switch will not glow. We didn't get any output, right? So if any one of the input is 0, the output is 0. Okay, so AND operation can be explained by means of this circuit. So in this circuit, two switches are connected in series, and through the switches the bulb is connected to the supply. So the bulb will glow only if both the switches are closed. That means both values are 1. Okay, if any one of the switches open, so definitely the bulb will not glow. So this condition will be proved by means of this circuit, right? The next one, OR gate, which gives logical addition. The symbol of OR gate is this one, which is 2 input OR gate. The inputs are A and B and output is 1. Here the operation of OR gate is, it is logical addition, and the output is high or the output is true if at least one of the input is high. At least one of the input is high, the output is high. Okay, and one more important condition, if both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. Okay, so at least one of the input is 1, the output is 1, and if both the inputs are 0, the output is 0. That is the condition. Okay, so let us derive the truth table. So there is 2 inputs A and B, and output is Y, single output. So AB, definitely 4 possible combinations, right? So next one is output. So in first case, both the inputs are 0. So both the inputs are 0 means the output is 0. In second case, one of the input is 1. We know that at least one input is 1, the output is 1. So the output is 1. Okay. In third case, first input is 1, so definitely the output is 1. In last one, both inputs are 1, so definitely the output is 1. So the condition is, if at least one input is 1, the output is 1. It means at least one input is high, the output is high. And if both the inputs are low, the output is low. This is the condition for OR gate. And the Boolean expression is A plus B. Okay, Y is equal to A plus B. That plus represent logical addition, right? And similar to AND gate, we can explain this OR gate by means of two switches which is connected in parallel, right? So parallel. Here two switches are connected in parallel, and a bulb is connected to supply by means of this combination of switches, right? So first switch can be taken as A and second switch is taken as B. So if value is 1 means the switch is closed, value is 0 means the switch is open. Okay, first condition A0 B0. So A0 B0 means both the switches are in open condition, so there is no closed path, there is no way for current to flow, so the bulb will not glow. We cannot get any output from this circuit. So if both inputs are 0, we cannot get any output, so the output is low. Okay, so both inputs are 0 means the output is 0, right? The next condition, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. So A1, so the first switch is closed, and B0, the second switch is open. Now look at this, there is a closed path through this A switch, right? So definitely the bulb will glow. We get output, right? So we get output if one of the switches closed, one of the input is high, right? So next condition, A0 B1. So first switch is open and second switch is closed. Now also